Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Disco Bob Entertainment and more in this video. DQ, Red Velvet Cake Blizzard review. This is the new one that he uploaded yesterday, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one, the only, Disco Bob.
Oh, hello everyone. I hope everybody's awesome and safe out there. Well, today we're going to try the Dairy Queen Red Velvet Blizzard. So, I guess it's time for this time of year for Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
So I got myself a small. It's got red velvet cake pieces and some cream cheese mixed in there. And let's give this a try. Pretty good, guys. Not bad at all. I think this is pretty much for Valentine's Day, so.
Yeah.
Starting to melt because I had this, I had to drive a little bit away from the Dairy Queen.
Wow.
So.
Sorry everybody. And sorry about my words running together. Sorry everybody. I had a itch right there. And sorry about my words running together. Sorry about that, everybody.
I got a small, as you can see. This is really good. Red velvet pieces. Red velvet cake pieces.
Wow.
So, you can really taste the cake pieces in this. Red velvet.
Excuse me. Sorry I burped. Sorry about that, everybody.
Velvet cake pieces. It's supposed to have like a cream cheese filling or in there, so and it's pink looking, as you can see.
Yeah.
Cream cheese filling. This is actually good, guys. Like I said, this is good. This ain't something I would get all the time.
Understandable.
But it's something I would get, it's probably a limited time. But it is good. You can taste the cream cheese filling and the red velvet. It's really good. If you like red velvet. I'm not a big, huge fan of red velvet cake. It's okay. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. It's not my go-to cake. But this is actually good.
Wow.
Right. You can taste a lot of the red velvet cake, which I expected. Right. It's all right to me, but like I said, it ain't something I would get all the time if it was out all the time. It's okay. It's good, but it's
had an itch right there. Sorry about that, everybody.
my 2 thumbs up. Like I said, you can barely taste. I can taste a little bit of the cream cheese filling.
Wow.
But the red velvet cake is the one I can really taste.
Wow.
But, hey, it's my 2 thumbs up. I like it.
Yes.
So, hey, I hope everybody enjoyed this review on this Red Velvet Cake Blizzard from Dairy Queen. So, I hope everybody has a good one. And everybody have a good Friday evening and have a great weekend coming up. So we finally made it this Friday. So everybody have a good one. Thanks for watching. I appreciate every one of you guys' support. You guys are so awesome.
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up, and I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my channel or to Disco Bob Entertainment and More's channel, make sure you guys subscribe, give both our videos a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post, and share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please everybody. And on my channel, we are on the road to 9,000 subscribers. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the 3 playlists that are on my channel, and give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my channel as well also, please everybody. I would really definitely appreciate that too. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.